Hi, this is Lisa Somerville for Divinity Designs. Thank you for joining us for our Christmas Crafting Weekend Open House event. In this video, I will be sharing with you inspiration and samples using our October 2024 Blessings box. Kelly Holland will be joining us later in this video to share a close-up look at some of the samples created by our design team. Divinity Designs Blessings Box membership plan is a quarterly membership. The Blessings Box is released in January, April, July, and October. Divinity Designs releases exclusive products in the Blessings Box that are only available to Blessings Box members. The Blessings Box is currently $75 plus shipping. Blessings Box members also have access to a special add-on area on our website where they can add on select additional products for 20% off. When you receive your Blessings Box, you'll also receive a flyer that lists the kit contents along with the retail value. There's also photos included of the products included in the Blessings Box. Here you can see the flyer for October 2024. The retail value is $109.75. The membership price is just $75 plus shipping. On the product page for the Blessing Boxes, we also include videos that include samples and tutorials for using the products found inside the Blessings Box. Inside the October 2024 Blessings Box, we have the exclusive Baking Spirits Bright Clear Stamp Set. This is a set of 5. Also included is the pot holder with pocket die set. This is a set of 5. Here's a few additional samples using the pot holder with pocket die set along with additional Divinity Designs products. You can see tucked into the pocket of the pot holder, I have a recipe card that was die cut using the Recipe Card 2 die set. The pocket on the pot holder is also great for adding gift card holders. The base panel for this card was created using our mini card and double layers die set, and the gift card holder is from the gift card holder and layers die set. One of the add-on products is the recipe card die. And here you can see the difference between the recipe card and the Recipe Card 2 die set. Also included in the October 2024 Blessings Box, we have the Gingerbread and Snowman Recipe Card Paper Die Duo. It contains 24 designer papers, 6 sheets of each design, 24 recipe card papers, 12 of each design, and 48 snowman designs, 24 of each design, along with coordinating dies to be able to die cut out the snowmen. Here's one of the die cut snowmen, embellishing our gift-giving goodie bag. We also have the Poinsettia Recipe Card Paper Pad. This contains 24 designer papers, 6 sheets of each design, and 24 recipe card papers, 12 of each design. And now here are some coordinating projects using the October 2024 Blessings Box along with additional Divinity Designs products. We have our gift-giving goodie bag. Here's the mini card and double layers, along with our RSVP envelope. And the Christmas stocking gift card holder. And our pot holder with pocket, along with one of our recipe cards. And here we have some other ideas using the October 2024 Blessings Box, along with additional Divinity Designs products. Again, this is our gift-giving goodie bag. The mini card with double layers along with the RSVP envelope. Again, you can see I've added one of our gift card holders. The pot holder with pocket along with the recipe card used as a gift card holder and our gift card holder die set. And here we have an A2 portrait card along with our gift card holder with layers die set. Some of the embellishments that you see on those projects come from the Gingerbread Paper Die Duo set. It contains 96 designs, 24 images of each design, along with the coordinating dies. It also includes 128 printed verses, 32 of each design, and includes the rounded rectangle and layering die to be able to die cut those verses. The Gingerbread Paper Die Duo is just one of the many products available at a discount to Blessings Box subscribers. And shown here I have one more gift set. This one uses the Coffee Break Gnomes Paper Die Duo set. Here we have the gift-giving goodie bag. the pot holder with pocket die set along with additional Divinity Designs products, and the mini card with double layers along with the RSVP envelope. Again, those are just a few of the projects that I've created using the October 2024 Blessings Box along with additional Divinity Designs products. Now Kelly Holland will be joining us to share a close-up look at some of the projects created by the design team. For more inspiration and additional videos, visit the product pages on our website, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram.